Hello, this is a panloquacity tutorial. Panloquacity is an authoring system to create a chatbot or voicebot, so conversational agents that can be linked with different distribution channels like Telegram, web chat, Alexa or Google Home and so on. This is just a quick tutorial to describe the overall functionalities of panloquacity. So the first things to do is to make the login, and we can see here the home page of the authoring system. This is the name of the video, the name of the agent, quick video tutorial in this case. The bot is near empty and is also offline, so we can, for the first things, we can put it online. At the left side of the page you can see the main menu. Here in the knowledge we have the linguistic knowledge of the chatbot. Conversation is a section that contains all the logs file and the instruments to train the bot. Social is a very simple forum to allow the collaboration of different authors for the bot, and administration publication are administration tools to publish and manage the chatbot. But let's start with knowledge. We have different linguistic data. The first and more important is the concepts that are the atoms of the knowledge, of the linguistic knowledge. In this case, at the starting point, we have just two concepts. One that is the starting phrase, the welcome phrase, and then the generic answer, so the answer of the system when is not able to understand. Let's start with the starting phrase. This is what is the concept like. We have the title. For example, we can write it down, welcome, welcome. Tags are only for authors, so we have the possibility to use different tags to allow us to find, for example, concept, or to clustering concept in an easy way. The topic is a sort of folder of concept. Now we will work only with the root, so the main topic. Utterances are the input that are understand, that the inputs that activate this concept. Here we have different kind. We can create, for example, welcome, hello, also in Italian, ciao. If you want to edit more utterance in the same time, you can go here in edit list, and we can see different things. For example, we can delete these parts and add good morning, and add good afternoon, and so on. Save. Okay, so these are the new utterances. These are the replies. So we can also create different a new one. There are different type of reply, that is simple, go to concept, with conditional answering, and variable. Now in this tutorial we will just manage the simple reply. We can go on the pure, without HTML, just the pure text, and say, hey human, hi human, or hello, hello my dear human. In this way we have three possible replies, and the system will choose one randomly. Okay, this is one concept, and the second one is the generic no answer. So this is the generic no answer. That is the concept that the system will activate when it will not find other better answers. So we can, for example, add replies. Here we have sorry, but I don't understand you. But we can also write down, for example, please use other words, and so on. To define this concept as a generic not answer for the root topic, we have to open the advanced option and to activate this voice top concept of. Generally the system is like something like this, top concept of empty. Then we can put on this button set, say OK, and now this system, this concept is the top concept of the topic root, so the generic no answer concept. Okay, synonyms are just way to manage synonyms. So for example, we can create a synonym like hello with hello, for example. Tags we already seen, topics we have seen, corpus is not important now. Conversation is important because this is the area of the log files and the dialogues. This with the first voice dialogue, it's the a sort of internal chat that we can do. So we can say hello, and he answer hello my dear human. Or we can say hello man, hi, how can I help you? So it's a good answer, but we have a button here, attach reply, that we can try. You can see here that this is the our input, and this is the concept that the system find with the similarity very near to 1. Similarity equal 1 is the maximum of the similarity. We can manage to put this input in this concept, just putting with attach, something like this. Now we can go, for example, in the concept, in the welcome, and you see that you can have hello man here. You can make another systems like how are you? This is the not reply, and it's we can put a touch, and of course we don't have in our knowledge base a concept linked with this question, so we can go down and click on attach to the new concept and create a new one like how are you. We can put another utterance also like are you fine? Are you fine? We can put a new tag like chit chat, just to remember us that This is the argument of this concept, and we can create a reply like I am fine, thank you. Okay, and this is we can also try, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. So this is the dialog that we can where we can check internally the system. This is the logs file, but we have 0 because the log files are from the outside of the system. So we have to publish this bot. We can go to the administration and just, for example, deactivate the login. We don't want to have a login from authentication. And we can go in the publication area to and update. So we can release this version, knowledge base 0.01, just a test. Okay, publish. And now we have a published system. We can check it by website, for example. We can go to a website like here. Hi. He doesn't understand, but we can say hello. Hi, how can I help you? How are you? I'm fine. How are you, dear? But please use another word. So sometimes he understands, sometimes he's not. We can also check okay, we can go back to the log file to see the log file, and we can see process all, and we can see all the questions that comes from the HTML in this case. So hi, he don't understand, so we can click here and attach this sentence to the concept good morning. Okay. Hello, it is okay. How are you? It is okay. How are you, dear bot? Is not recognized, but we can go there and say, okay, consider this sentence as how are you. Okay. In this way, we increase the knowledge base, basing our training on the conversation with the users. We can also put this chatbot. We can, for example, republish again this one, release again 0.02. Okay. We can also link with Telegram, so we can go here. We can check, for example, taking a Telegram token like this and pressing start. Now we started, is connected. We can go to Telegram, so we can search the new testing panloquacity, search the bot, say okay. Hi, how are you, dear? Do you speak Italian? Parli italiano? Okay, we can see how are you? I'm fine, thank you. So we are chatting inside the Telegram. We can go in the conversation process in dialogues. First of all, we can understand, we can see, for example, that the first input that Telegrams send to our bot is /start, so we can add this /start to the welcome concept. Okay. Hi, it's okay. How are you, dear? Is how are you? We can add it here. Do you speak Italian? It's a new concept. We don't have it, so we can go down and attach to a new concept. Do you speak Italian? We can say here Italian. Put it a language. Do you speak Italian? Or we can say, do you speak Italian? Sorry, I speak only English. I do not understand Italian. Save. Okay. Parli italiano. You can see here. We don't have this here. It is here, but let's imagine that you don't have this here without press the attach button. So parli italiano, I can say here, do you speak Italian? Search. I found it here and I attach this sentence to this concept. So we can go there and you see that Parli Italiano activates this, sorry, I speak only English, I do not understand Italian. The new concept is this one. You see, do you speak and parli Italiano? Okay, how are you? It's fine. So this is the main, so we can again, of course, publish the system KB 0.03, and if we go to the Telegram and ask again parli italiano, sorry, I speak only English, I do not understand Italian, and of course we can go on in this way. So this is a very quick introduction on how it works, these authoring tools. For other guides and helps on panloquacity, please visit our website, and you can also write us at help@panloquacity.com. Thank you very much.